Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to log into Google Classroom using your school email ID. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you usually use. Next, go to the Google Classroom website by typing classroom.google.com into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, it's time to sign in. Enter your school-issued email address, which usually looks something like your name at school.edu. Double check for any typos, as even small mistakes can stop you from logging in. Click Next, and you'll be asked to enter your password. This might be the one given by your school or one you've set previously. Type it in carefully. After entering your password, click Next again. If this is your first time logging in, you may be asked to accept some permissions. Click Accept to continue. You should now be on the Google Classroom dashboard. Here you'll see any classes you've already been added to. Just click on a class to open it. If you don't see your class listed, your teacher may have given you a class code. To join with a code, click the plus sign in the upper right corner, then choose Join Class. A box will appear where you can enter the class code. Type it in, then click Join. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Google Classroom and joined your class using your school email. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.